Hand is straight.
Okay.
Keep on pressing. Start from the base only. Enough. Okay? Yes. Now start from here to lose your hand.
Okay.
Start this and finish at the bottom. This. Okay, see, you are going side by side. It's not side by side. For the first layer, we have to cover the base.
Okay.
So I will start from the base. I will lift my little nozzle up. Then I will go down.
Okay.
Got it? Try to make one more. Little closer. Yes. Got it? It's arch you have to make. Ulta you arch.
Okay.
Right? It's not straight side by side. It's not side by side. It's arch first. Yes. Then side by side. Okay. And for the second layer, it's tilt your hand little bit, little more. It's this.
Okay.
Now it's side by side. In second round is side by side. Keep on moving the pin. Yes, we will start from the center. Yes. Okay, one more. Okay, one last. For the last, tilt your hand as well and tilt the nozzle also this way.
Okay.
And then this. Now can you see the difference? It's all about the hand positions only. Okay, rose is all about the hand position. However you keep your hand, the rose will come out. Now see. See, her rose.
Can you teach me?
Yes, of course I will teach you. I am here only for this only. So this one I have helped. Now you do it by your own. I want the same only.
Okay.
Okay, you will do it?
Yes.
Good. Make it.
Cut it now.
Cut it and transfer. You are holding your piping in wrong position. See, it should be this. Hold it. This and this. Okay? Do one thing, come here so I can record in this also. Okay? Then, see, first round straight hand. Second round I have to tilt my hand and I have to make arch. I will start from the base. I will lift little bit up, then again down. Okay? Start, down, up, down. Start, little bit up, down. Start, little bit up, down. Very good, very good. I have covered my base now. Okay, the inside one is, that one I have made the bird. Now, covered. Okay, now for the next round, I will tilt my hand little bit more and nozzle is straight only. Yes. Okay. Very good. Now, third round. So for the third round, yes, your nozzle should be tilt.
Okay.
This. Got it? Okay. Show your rose. And now she is going to make her own, by her own. Okay? Make it both of you. Very good. Very good. So see here, she has made by her own, the same. Very good.
Thank you.
Transfer it. Now we will do another design. Okay? So you also do. Ilasini.